Hey folks, welcome back to another Espresso Tech Shorts video. Today we're going to do iced beverages. Now I'm doing 2-in-1 because they're just that easy. So we have an iced latte and an iced Americano. Now, one thing that's really going to improve your iced beverages is actually going to be larger ice cubes. So when you get smaller ice cubes, even sort of your standard ice cube tray that you might buy at the dollar store, because they have a smaller amount of surface area, it takes less time for them to melt and dilute your beverage. When you have a larger ice cube, these are 2-inch cubes, or they were 2-inch cubes before I put them in the liquid, and you can usually get sort of larger or king-sized or whiskey-sized ice cube trays. When you have a larger ice cube, because it's got a larger surface area, it takes a longer time for it to melt and dilute your beverage. So we just need one per drink here. That'll be cold enough. And it'll actually sort of, as we're enjoying our beverage, it won't be diluted as much, especially as you get near the end. So there's a tip for you: larger ice cubes are just going to be better, and this applies for anything, any kind of highball drinks or soda water or coffee. Any cold beverage, the larger your ice cube, the colder it'll be and the longer it'll take to dilute. So we just have a glass filled with milk and an ice cube here, and water and an ice cube here. So obviously that's our iced Americano, that's our iced latte. I'm going to pull a shot. And we're just doing single shots today because I have 2 glasses, but you could obviously pull a double if that's what you're looking for. Okay folks, we're back with our shots. So you're just going to take them and pour them onto your coffee. It doesn't really matter how you pour them. And there we are, iced latte, iced Americano. You can always improve the latte or the Americano if you like, but I find with the latte you can always improve by adding maybe a bit of caramel syrup or lavender or vanilla, of course, the iced vanilla latte. And if you want to get really crazy, you can actually make an iced latte and then just throw it in your blender and add a bit of a binding agent, something like agar-agar powder, and blend it. And what that binding agent will do is that will stop your ice and liquid from separating like it might do at home, and it'll keep it that kind of slushy, frappy mixture throughout the drink, like if you were to get it at Starbucks or some cafe. And that's how they do it. They usually add a little bit of a binding agent such that you don't get that separation of liquid and ice. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.